Hello everyone, my name is Sharia. I am 34 years old and I work as a sous chef at the Milliways Cafe here in Zurich for about 1.5 years now. I was born and raised in the Philippines and came to Switzerland when I was 7 years old. I remember when I was growing up, I was traveling with my grandparents for almost 1 hour by tricycle just to get into the city and do our groceries in a market that we call Palenque. And there we bought every kinds of fresh fruits and vegetables, fish, meats, and of course the shrimp paste. I will show you my favorite dish, which is the Binagoongan na baboy. It's a shrimp paste spiced pork stew. For the recipe, we will need about 600 grams of pork, 2 tomatoes diced in cubes, 1 eggplant sliced in cubes as well, then 2 sliced long green peppers, and then we will need 4 tablespoons of shrimp paste. And if you would like to try out the vegetarian option of this dish, just take tofu instead of pork and curry paste instead of the shrimp paste. Okay, and now let's start cooking. First, heat up the oil in the pan, and then you can saute the onions, garlics, and tomato. And after that, if the onions and tomato softens, you can add the pork. Saute the pork until it's slightly brown. After that, you can add the shrimp paste and cook for about 1 minute. After that, you can pour in the vinegar and water and then let it boil. Cover the pan and then cook in low heat for about 45 minutes until the pork tenderizes. After that, you can add the eggplant and cover and cook again for 5 minutes. And then you can put in the long green peppers and season it with the grounded black pepper, and then it's ready to serve. It goes best with steamed jasmine rice. And kain na tayo!